In this video we're going to show you how to make a gutter mount for original artwork created with pastels. Pastel drawings often shed loose particles which can drop onto the mount and mark it. A gutter mount is essentially a reverse double mount that creates a gap behind the front mount for the dust to drop into. Cut the front mount as normal, then cut a second back mount with a border 5mm narrower. Stick the front mount to the back mount to create a gutter that's 5mm wide and 1.4mm deep. Then just hinge and frame as normal. To make a deeper gutter, cut strips of 3mm foam board and sandwich them between the two mounts. Cut the foam board strips 20mm narrower than the front mount. Line the strips up with the outside edge of the mount, then fix with ATG tape. On a 50mm border it will be wide enough to support the mount but won't be visible from the side. Then just hinge and frame as normal. Visit lionpick.co.uk for more information.